Gold has always held a special place in Indian hearts and homes. But today, there's more than one way to own it, like physical gold, gold ETFs, and digital gold. Let's break it down to see which suits you better. Starting cost. Buying physical gold often means spending thousands or even lakhs, depending on the carat and quantity. Gold ETFs let you invest in gold via units, starting from as little as 100 rupees. With Jio Gold on the JioFinance app, invest in digital gold from just 10 rupees with no high upfront cost. Investment convenience. You can't set up a SIP for physical gold, it usually requires a lump sum purchase. But with gold ETFs and digital gold, you can invest through SIPs, making gold easy and economical to purchase. You can also start a Jio Gold SIP daily, weekly, or monthly on JioFinance app. Purity. Physical gold comes with a purity based on the gold carat, ranging from 14 carat, 58.3% pure, to 24 carat, 99.9% pure, with 24 carat being the purest form of gold. Gold ETFs are backed by physical gold with a purity of 99.5% or higher. However, unlike digital gold, you cannot claim physical gold against your gold ETF units. Digital gold comes with a single purity level, that is 99.9%. Storage. Physical gold needs lockers, which is costly and prone to theft. Gold ETFs sit safely in your demat account and are SEBI regulated. Digital gold is securely stored by the provider in insured vaults, removing the need for a physical locker. Cost and charges. Physical gold incurs up to 30% additional making charges plus GST on top of its total value. Gold ETFs have brokerage, demat charges, and fund management fees. Digital gold incurs 3% GST on every purchase, along with minimal storage charges post 5 years. Liquidity. Selling physical gold can be inconvenient as it requires you to visit a seller or bank. Gold ETFs are traded on exchanges during market hours. Digital gold can be sold 24/7 at market-linked rates on most platforms and can also be redeemed as gold, jewelry, or cash. Taxation. Physical gold, digital gold, and gold ETFs follow capital gains tax rules. Short-term gains are taxed as per your income slab, and long-term gains are taxed at 12.5% without indexation benefits. Gold has always been a valuable asset in our country. As the world goes digital, so has our approach to investing in this timeless asset. Choosing the right form of gold depends on your goals. Is it purely for investment or both an asset and an heirloom? Pick what fits your purpose best. If you are thinking of buying digital gold, start with Jio Gold on JioFinance app with just 10 rupees. You can also set up a Jio Gold SIP and let your gold grow over time. Follow Jio Financial Services for more such information on digital gold.